The 2009 Tiguan. With Volkswagen Tiguan, it's good to be turbo. Turbo with class, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, traction control, stability control, automatic transmission, air conditioning, front, cruise control, compass, fog lamps, heated driver's seat, passenger airbag, power windows, remote power door locks, trip computer, speed proportional power steering, tachometer, rear wiper, heated passenger seat, heads-up display, power heated outside mirrors, privacy glass. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.